Hummus for 6 people. Place half the water into a food blender. Remove the skins from the chickpeas and put half a can into the blender. Add half the tahini and mix together. Then add the remaining chickpeas and the rest of the tahini. In turn, add the lemon juice, cumin, paprika and salt. Mix all the ingredients in the blender for about 1 minute. To soften the consistency, add the remaining water and mix for another 2 to 3 minutes. Stop mixing when the hummus is nice and firm. Put the hummus on a plate and make a well in the middle. Drizzle over 1 tablespoon of olive oil, lightly sprinkle with pepper flakes and serve.